Hello everybody, and welcome to the first of two videos in our second rendition of Teacher Feature Friday. Last week we talked about the importance of being a highly connected educator, but how do we sort of bring all that information to us so that we can stay up on top of the latest trends and topics and best practices that are out there. So in this video, I'm just going to do a really quick overview of a great service called Netvibes. I'm here at sort of the sign-in page. I have an account, but I just wanted to show you that you can set up your email and a password. It's free. You do not have to pay for it, and it'll do everything you need it to do. Or you can go ahead and just connect through Facebook. But I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my account, and I'm just going to kind of start from scratch. You can have it. One of the reasons I like Netvibes is that you can really have many dashboards. So you could have one about education, you could have one about news, you could do all sorts of things. So it's a great way to go. So I'm trying to get to my page. Here we go. All right, so it's going to automatically sort of just put some things into your news feed. And again, it works like anything else. Your cursor is your friend. You can just get rid of these things if you don't want them. And these are considered widgets. And it's really just RSS feeds. It's just bringing a bunch of information into your site. So anyway, you want to get rid of the ones that you don't like or you do like. But what I really like about it is that you can you can turn it in just to a straight reader where you just see very quickly all of the updates, if you're a very linear person and you just want to see right there. I personally sort of like the widget layout. It just has a nice feel to it. And again, you can change all these out. And the other thing I like about it is you can just drag things. It's really got a really intuitive drag and drop situation. So I'm just using my cursor and I'm just really pulling that thing over. But let's get down to the real part that you're concerned about. So you want to add content. So one of the reasons I really like Netvibes is that you can actually just search content. So we can actually put in cool cat. We talked about cool cat Vicki Davis, and I can search that and automatically it will bring up that feed. So all I need to do is make sure that that looks right. Those looks like the kind of things that Vicki Davis would write about, and I'll say add to my page, and then there you go. Here are all the posting from Vicki Davis coming right into your Netvibes. But let's talk about another one that we talked about, which was the Nerdy Teacher blog, which I really like a lot. And this way is if you were just kind of cruising along on the internet and you came across a blog that you really like, what you want to look for is that little RSS feed button, which looks like that orange button, like right here, as you see. So what you would do is, one of the other reasons I really like Netvibes is that sometimes it's already set up for you to go ahead and add it right to Netvibes, so that if you're just cruising around and you see something that you like, that you think you want to read or have that particular person who's writing come into your dashboard, then all you need to do is just, oops, and you gotta tell it which dashboard you want it to go to, and there it goes. And now you can see I have both of those now educational RSS feeds right here for me. I might bookmark that, or I might pin this I might pin this tab, and then as you're working during the day, you just click on this, and then you can quickly see what Vicki Davis has to say and the Nerdy Teacher has to say. So that's a quick video about how to use Netvibes.